Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're gonna be looking at this super dope Jada 118 scale Chevrolet Impala SS Dub City. But right before we get to this, want to make sure that I give a big shout out to a friend of the channel. His name is IDC Imperial Diecast. You know, he does a lot of really dope content. You know what I'm saying? Definitely an asset to the diecast YouTube community. There's a lot of comparisons, you know, different scales. Pretty much, if you guys like the type of content I make, definitely you guys, you know, should go over there and sub to his channel as well. But yeah, guys, here we got the car now. As you guys can see, it's quite messy. Pretty much, I have purchased this item, you know, on eBay for a super low price, great deal. And this was pretty much was $10 plus shipping, guys. And it did have a catch, and that catch was the fact that the car is so dirty. But you know what I mean, they don't call me Florida car buff for nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to bring this item right back to life. We're gonna try to somehow undo years of just sitting out collecting dust, probably, you know. But before I went to that, I wanted to make sure that I would test different sizes of rims. I kind of wanted to see if I wanted to go bigger on the rims or maybe change the stock ones. So I pretty much, because I was gonna take the item apart anyway, so might as well want to have it completely all apart. I was able to test different rims. So, but yeah, guys. So also too, while we get the whole body of the car clean, might as well also take an in-depth look at the interior as well. And as you guys can see, just really nice the way they got going on here. You see this TV in the center console. You also see the sticker there. It looks like it's an Escalade Dub City. I believe I have that model. But yeah, guys, also too, you know, check out the nice little detail on the speakers and the amps. You got this crossfire, and I guess that logo represents Alpine, if I'm not mistaken. But another feature, guys, I wanted to show you guys, which is quite rare and took me by surprise, the fact that there's carpet, guys, in this model. Like, you don't really see a lot of Jada Dub City models that have carpet inside, you know. So another Jada model I can think of is probably the Cadillac Scarface version. But anyway, guys, we went ahead and got this car completely, you know, all shined up, and we took all the grease and all the dirt and all the grim out of it. We went ahead and buffed it out. And so as you guys can see now, the car is super shiny and super clean. This is just pretty much just the body at the moment, because like I said, I wanted to take this item apart because I definitely didn't want to. I wanted to isolate the body and what needed to be buffed and completely cleaned of all the dirt it had on it. So it gave me an opportunity to also have the interior of the car, the trunk, as well as the motor, and just, you know, anything else that I can even zoom in and get even the best visual possible. But yeah, guys, like I said, I mean, this is almost like, it's weird, right? Because it's a Jada, so there's parts there that are not too detailed, but some stuff they really went really detailed with it. And then you also too got the carpet, and we got these amps, and you got that NOS tank right there on the trunk, and more TV. One thing about Jada with these Dub Cities is they just have a certain vibe to them. Now the motor, I was not too impressed at all. I mean, you do have the Chevy engine block, you know, and almost like everything's just connected to one kind of like plastic piece. But kind of wish that would have been separated a little bit, or maybe it wasn't just one big solid piece molded to the shape of the motor. I mean, but still pretty cool that it's chrome where it needs to be. So but yeah, guys, something I really like about this Impala SS also is the grille, guys, and I do like the detail on the Chevy logo. You know, the lights are actually quite nice too. You know, you don't see no obvious like holes in them or anything in the center, as sometimes you can see in different models. So it's really high quality. I mean, I wouldn't say it's all the way like an AUTOArt model, but I will kind of I'll say it's almost like a gate model, or almost like right before AUTOArt, you know what I mean? Or I would put it that way. But again, it's just Dub City, it's Jada, but Definitely one of their best models for sure, and it's actually becoming quite rare recently, which is why I just decided to buy it in this condition, which was kind of, like I said, just displayed for a bunch of years. I mean, nothing wrong with it, just pretty much very dusty, but alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. And with that one, I'm outie guys. Peace.